everyone, welcome to HiFiGo channel. I'm Yumu. Today I'm going to unbox an earphone from the brand Oriolus. The brand is based out of Japan and they just released a single dynamic driver earphone. The Oriolus Isabellae. The brand said Isabellae is under the development for the last 7 years. So let's check it out. Let me try with this exercise ear tip. It's really not easy to put it on. I really like this cable. It's very soft. Thank you for watching and welcome to subscribe us for all the latest audio gears unboxing. See you next time.